Hello there, and welcome back to another PriceCP Roblox Studio tutorial. In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to make a Gamepass. Let's get started by going to the Creator Hub. The address is create.roblox.com. When you get to this page, click on Creations. This is where you see all your creations. You can select which experience you want to make the Gamepass for. In this case, I'm just going to make the Gamepass for this game right here, Test 021. So I'm going to click on Test 021. On the left side menu bar here, look for Passes and click on Passes. Currently, this game does not contain any Gamepass, so I'm going to create a pass. Click on Create a Pass. Image upload is optional, so you can leave it alone, or you can click change here. If you have an image for your Gamepass that you want to upload, click change and upload the image for this Gamepass. Next, we're going to scroll down. We're going to enter the name for this Gamepass, Invincibility Pass, and the description to make you invincible. Scroll down a little bit more. I'm going to click on Create Pass. I have created a Gamepass for this game. Now just go ahead and click on this new pass that we have just created. On the left hand side here, you have two different options. So the first option that we are on is the basic setting. You have your icon here if you want to upload an image for. You have the name of the Gamepass, and you have the description of the Gamepass. In case you want to change them, you can change them and click on Save Changes. The second option here is the sales option. Click on that. Here you can indicate if this item is for sale. So I'm going to click on item for sale. The price is invalid. How about we put in 1 Robux? And now it's happy. Now remember, the creator is going to earn only 70% of this number. So if I price it at 1 Robux, means I'm going to earn 0.7 of a Robux. So I don't want that. So why don't we make it 10 Robux? This way I'm going to earn 7 Robux out of this transaction when people buy this Gamepass. And it says right here, it says how much you're going to earn. So basically I'm going to earn 7 Robux. Roblox is going to take 3 Robux from me. Every time somebody buys a pass from me, Roblox is going to keep 30% and I'm going to earn 70%. So now let's go ahead and save changes. Pass updated successfully. So we have successfully created a Gamepass and put it up for sale. Join us again in our next tutorial. I will show you how to earn Robux with your Gamepasses. In the next tutorial, you will learn how to script the Gamepasses in your games. Hope you have enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we will see you in the next tutorial to learn how to script this Gamepass in our game. Take care everyone, we'll see you next time. Peace.